Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our 28-day English learning series. Today is day 4, and we will learn pronouns made easy. After this lesson, you'll confidently use pronouns like I, you, he, she, and they in daily English conversations. Let's begin. Pronouns are words that replace nouns in sentences. This helps us avoid repeating names or things again and again. Example, instead of saying, Maria loves football, Maria plays football every day. We say, Maria loves football. She plays it every day. Pronouns make sentences shorter and more natural. Subject pronouns perform the action in a sentence. They are I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Examples. I am learning English. She is my sister. They are playing outside. Object pronouns receive the action. They include me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Examples. She called me. I saw them at school. Example conversation. A. Where is John? B. He is at home. Did you meet Anna? B. Yes, I met her yesterday. Using pronouns makes conversations smooth and natural. Incorrect sentence. Me and John went to the park. Correct sentence. John and I went to the park. Tip. Remove the other name and check the sentence. I went to the park. Sounds correct. Fill in the blanks. 1. Maria is very kind. Helps everyone. Answer. She. 2. Tom and Sam are here. Gehek are ready. Answer. They practice daily to improve quickly. Remember, use pronouns to avoid repetition. Subject pronouns do actions. Object pronouns receive actions. Practice speaking daily. Great work today. Now you understand how pronouns work in English. Use pronouns daily when speaking or writing to improve faster. Tomorrow we continue with day 5 of our English course. For more lessons, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com. If this lesson helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends learning English. See you in the next lesson.